Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Getting to know about our surrounding. This is a video part 3. In this video, we are learn how do you dry clothes during summer and how do cloud forms and many more much things that you can learn in this video. Now let's start the video. In the first part of video, we learn state of matter. Student, there are 3 state of matter. Okay, first is solid. Solid means when you freeze the water, then it converted into ice. So ice is the one of the solid form of water. Now second one is a liquid. You drink water daily. This water is a liquid form of the water. Okay. Now third form of the water is gases. When you boil the water, then forms the water vapor. These water vapor are the gaseous state of water. Okay, student. So we understand in first slide is state of water. How many state of water? There are 3 state of water: solid, liquid, and gases. In next part of the video, we discussed each of the state of matter in detail. First is solid. You can see in the picture, it is a molecular structure of the solid. Now let's discuss the solid and their properties. Now let's discuss properties of a solid. First properties of solid is in solid particles are tightly or closely packed. You see in the picture each and every molecules of the solid, they are very closely packed with each other. Solid has a fixed shape and volume. Due to their strong molecular force of attraction, solid has a fixed shape and they also have a fixed volume. They are rigid. Yes, due to their fixed shape, they are very rigid. Two molecules of the solid, there is a strong intermolecular force of attraction. So every hard substance you see in your daily life, that is rock, wood, ice, are known as a solid. They are a solid form of the matter. Now we discuss next state of matter is liquid. You can see in the given picture molecular structure of the liquid. Now let's discuss the properties of a liquid. First property of liquid is in liquid particles are less tightly packed as compared to solid. As we see in the previous picture, the molecules of the solids are very packed with each other, but in the liquid some distance between the two molecules, that why they are less tightly packed as compared to solid. And liquid take the shape of container in which they are kept. Liquid do not have a fixed shape. If you put the liquid or put water in your bottle, then water take a shape of bottle. If you put water in your bucket, then water take a shape of bucket. That's why liquid do not have a fixed shape. Liquid don't have fixed shape and they have a fixed volume. Liquid do not have fixed shape but they have a fixed volume. Force of attraction between the particles is weaker than the solid because there is some distance between the two molecules. That's why intermolecular force of attraction is weaker than the solid. Examples of liquids are water, milk are some examples of the liquid. Now let's discuss the third part of matter is gaseous. You can see in the given picture there is a molecular structure of gases. Now let's discuss the properties of the gases. First property of gases is in gases particles are far apart from each other. You can see in the picture there is a very much more distance between the two molecules. In first properties, in gases, particles are far apart from each other. That is, there is a too much distance between two molecules of the gases. Gases have neither fixed shape or not a fixed volume. Because of is too much distance between molecules, they do not take any fixed shape and they do not have a fixed volume. And also, force of attraction between the two molecules is very negligible as compared to solid and liquid. And examples of the gases are water vapor, oxygen. So student, we are discussed all 3 state of matter: solid, liquid, gases, and with their properties. Now we learn some concept about the state of matter. First concept of state of matter is evaporation. What is evaporation? You can see in the picture. Evaporation is the process in which liquid water get converted into gaseous state. So you can see in the picture, when they boil the water, it get converted into water vapor. So liquid form of the water, when applying heat, it get converted into gaseous form, that is water vapor. So it is known as a evaporation. Student, where you learn evaporation process in your daily life. So now we discuss answer of our first question. Our first question is, how do you dry clothes during the summer? In the summer, there is a hot air in the surrounding atmosphere. So, when we dry our clothes, liquid form of water get converted into water vapors due to this hot air. So, in the summer, our clothes will dry because that liquid form of water get converted into gaseous state. Now we learn a next concept is condensation. So, what is condensation? Condensation is the process in which water vapors get converted into liquid water. Condensation is exactly opposite condition of evaporation. In evaporation, student, what we learn, water get converted into water vapors, that is liquid get converted into gases. So in condensation, exactly opposite, that is gaseous form of water vapor, it converted into water, that is liquid form. You see in the given picture the water vapors forming due to heating of water. If you cool these water vapors, then it will be again converted into water. So water vapors that is in gaseous form, due to cooling them, it get converted into water. It is called as condensation. Student, when you see the condensation process in your daily life, for which we can get the answer of our next question, that is how cloud are forms. So when clouds are formed, when air cools below the dew point. What is cloud? It is a one of the form of water vapor. So water vapors, due to cooling of air, it get condensed. So water vapor get converted into tiny droplets of water. So this suspended particle create visible mass in the atmosphere. So we called as them clouds. Of cloud form because of the condensation process in which water vapors are cooled down and get converted into small droplets of water, and we visible as a visible masses, so we them are clouds. Okay student, there are too much things we are discussed in our video. So thank you for watching, and if you like our video, then like, subscribe and share my channel. Okay, now